Welcome to the CIT Tech Tips YouTube channel. My name is Matt, and this is episode 3 of the Google Suite series. Today we're going to cover Google Classroom. This video will show you how to use Google Classroom from both a student and teacher's perspective. Let's get started. Get to the Google Classroom homepage, open your browser, and go to the URL bar. Type in this link and enter. You will be brought to the homepage. To create a classroom, click the plus sign in the top right of the screen of the homepage and click Create Class. Click the checkbox to accept the terms and hit Continue, and then add the class name and whatever you else want for your class. Once it's done making, hit Close and you are in your classroom. To add a topic to Classroom, go to the Classwork tab, click the Create button, and hit Topic. Name whatever you want the topic to be, click Add, and it will show up in the Classwork tab. Create an assignment, go to the Classwork tab, click the Create button, and click Assignment. You can add a title to the assignment, you can add instructions for the students to know what they're doing, you can change the points, you can change the due date, and you can change what topic you want it to be in. Once it's all done, click Assign in the top right, and it will show up in the Classwork tab. Creating a question is very similar to creating an assignment. Go to the Classwork tab and click Create and click Question. You ask the question in the first text box. You can add instructions, you can change the point system, you can make it set for a specific student, you can set the due date of which the question is due, and you can change the topic of what the question is in. You can see if they can edit and they can reply to each other. And when everything's done, you can ask the question and it will show up in Classwork. To reuse a post from another classroom, go to the Classwork tab, click Create, and use Reuse Post. Choose the classroom you want to take from, click the post you want, and click Reuse. You can change the title, points, the date it's due, topic, and when you're all set, click Assign in the top right, and it will show up in the classroom. Moving on to the student side of Classroom. To join a classroom, click the plus sign in the top right and click Join Class. Your teacher will give you a class code, which you put in this box, and once it's typed, click Join button, and it will bring you to your classroom. To attach a file to an assignment, click on the assignment, click Add or Create, and choose from the list of things you can do. For example, if you click a doc, it will create a doc and it will attach it to the post. Opening it will bring to a blank document. This concludes the 3rd episode of the Google Suite series. If you enjoyed this video, have any questions, or want to request a topic to be covered, our email and website are in the description. Join us in the next episode where we cover Google Sites. My name is Matt, and this has been CIT Tech Tips.